Guys, hi. We're gonna release this Black Beauty today from our hospital. We have done a major repair on this, basically the complete engine overall, and we also have replaced the cylinder head with the genuine cylinder head and genuine piston rings, bearing bearing, thrust bearing, and rod bearing. Everything was very genuine, and we also have done a complete service on this vehicle. Start from from front to the rear, not only the engine. Just take a look, just hear the sounds of the engine. Now it's very smooth, and then it sounds like a very brand new one. We can give a guarantee for this vehicle for next 100,000 without no issues. The customer will not suffocate, customer will not regret, he will be appreciate what we have done so far. Just want to emphasize, I'm not going to criticize, but I'm going to emphasize that this vehicle came all the way to us for having an issue. So eventually we realized that the previous mechanic has replaced the timing chain wrongly. That was the main reason for the cylinder head crack and etc. I would like to take opportunity to thank you for Mr. Lakshman, the owner of this vehicle, who has been trusting us and then bringing his vehicle all the way from Colombo to here. We have done a great work, and customer is first for us, and we basically relying on them, on their feedback. I very much appreciate it for trusting us, and just take a look at and then view the video of what we have done to accomplish this. I would like to thank you for my team in episode of Trendy, as well as the mechanic Namal for putting his complete effort to fix whatever it comes in our way. And then it is not a money, end of the day, it's a customer satisfaction. Thank you for him, as well as take a look at, and then be careful whenever you just handing over your vehicle to the garage or workshop or the mechanics. So please go through it and then hear the sounds and then enjoy. Look. See how smooth it is. Just look at and just hear the sounds of the engine. It's similar a brand new one.